So what makes a great affiliate program? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I love affiliate programs because one, you don't actually have to create or own the product or service. You can just promote it and you earn a commission from that company for promoting it. And in doing affiliate marketing on this YouTube channel for many years, I have compiled a list of things that make a great affiliate program. I wanted to create this video so that you guys can take these points and go and find a great affiliate program that would work for you. So let's get into it. What makes a great affiliate program? One, it's easy to sign up. So I love a great affiliate program where the sign-up process is easy. There's not like a crazy amount of questions. It's just the normal questions like your name, your address, your tax information, and let's say your website. You don't have to do any long paragraph answers, and it's just super basic information. And also a side note with the easy sign-up is automatic approval. So you can, after you do the sign-up, you're already in the program. No one has to actually manually look at it and then take a week and it takes a long time. It's just you automatically sign up and then you're already in the program. Second, what makes a great affiliate program is, of course, the commission percentages. Obviously, the higher the percentage that you get, the better, because the more you make, right? Now, different programs have a range of affiliate percentages and commissions. I'm in different programs where I get for anywhere as low as 1% to as high as 75%. Now, Amazon, for example, their percentages are low. They don't have a lot of room to give out for commissions. So generally their commissions are going to be 10% or less, and a lot of them are in the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5%. Now you might think that that's super low, and it is generally speaking, but Amazon is such an easy sell. Like when you say, oh yeah, I got it on Amazon, link down in the description below. It's such an easy sell that you don't need to try so hard to get someone to do that kind of a purchase. So there's already that trust there. Percentages get higher when it's for softwares or courses because people can afford to give out a higher percentage. For example, for our Profitable Reviewer course, we have a 50% commission that we offer because we're willing to give out 50% of that initial earning from the customer, because to us, having the customer long-term, having that email, having them in our database is worth more, because after we get them in, we can potentially sell more courses or sell more coaching. So that's why usually people with softwares and courses are willing to give a higher percentage. The third thing that makes a great affiliate program is when the product or service that you're selling, the company, they have a great follow-up system, meaning when you refer someone to it, they have a great email sequence to sell to them afterwards. For example, we are an affiliate of two programs. One is called Jasper and one is called Learn Worlds. They are online softwares and they have great follow-ups, meaning someone initially will sign up to do like a free trial. And because Jasper, for example, is so good with their email follow-up, they can actually get the person to convert later down the road, like even 1-2 weeks later down the road, depending on how long the sign-up process is, they can actually convert them later on, which means all you have to do is get them in through the email and they will finish it off by selling them with these sequences of emails. The next thing that makes a great affiliate program is the dashboard, where you see your stats and your data, is really easy to read and you can easily get your links, your affiliate links. The more basic it is, while at the same time still giving the proper data, meaning like how many people clicked where did they click from, how many conversions, your affiliate links, like easily being able to grab them makes a great affiliate program. I don't like it when the dashboard is really confusing, you don't know where to grab your links, you don't know how to read the data, and it just makes it unenjoyable to sign into and see your stats. And the last thing that makes an affiliate program really good is it's easy to get paid. Ideally, I love it when a company does automatic payments and there's not a crazy high threshold. You don't have to manually get your money, meaning like if it's manual, you have to like remember to sign in and release the money. I ideally like it when it's sent automatically, like on the 15th of the month or the end of the month or whatever the company has set it to. When it's automatic payments, it makes it a lot easier. Also, when they connect either to PayPal or direct deposit that goes directly into your bank account, that makes it a lot easier too. So one of my favorite ways to do affiliate marketing is on this YouTube channel. So you'll notice that we are a how-to tutorial channel. And we talk about many different things, many different softwares, our own courses, products and services, and we have affiliate links that we put in the descriptions of our YouTube videos. So I like this method because we provide free content to everyone. And then when someone is interested in something that we are talking about, we just lead them down to the description below and people can make their decision or their choice to use our links to purchase a product or purchase a software. Affiliate marketing in conjunction with YouTube is one of my favorite ways of making money online. If you want to know how we are doing this with our YouTube channel, where we basically give away free knowledge, free content with our how-to tutorial channel, you guys can head down to the description below as we have a course called The Profitable Channel. This shows you how we've created and built our channel, how it generates income for us, and how we get sales, affiliate commissions, coaching clients, leads, how we've turned this into a business. Head down to the description below and you guys can check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.